Video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Affirm account not working. So let's get started. Now I'm going to be going over various fixes, so you can just go ahead and try them along with me and hopefully they work out for you. Yeah. So the first one is to check your login details. So for example, when you're logging in, then make sure you're obviously using the correct email and password which is linked to your Affirm account. And if you've forgotten your password, you can just go ahead and click on forgot password. So for example, if I enter my mobile number and then click continue, and then it's going to give you an option of forgetting your password, so just click on that and then you can reset via email. Then you can try updating the Affirm app or browser. Now, if you're using the mobile app, just update it from the App Store or Google Play. And if you're using browsers, you can try a different browser or you can clear cache from the settings, okay? Which is very simple. Just going here to settings, system settings, I can't see it. There you go. Just search cache. And there you go, delete browsing data, cookies, cache. Just go ahead and delete all of it again and retry, and hopefully that works out. Then we have check your internet and VPN. Now use a stable internet connection, for example a Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then turn off VPN or proxy. Affirm may block unusual locations. Then you have to verify your personal information. Now Affirm may block you if your name, email, phone or address doesn't match your account. So log in, check profile or personal information and update everything that's outdated. Then check for payment issues. Now make sure your debit or credit card is valid and active. Check for sufficient balance if using a bank card, and remove and re-add the card if needed, okay? Now wait if the account is temporarily locked. Now too many failed login attempts can temporarily lock your account. For example, it's usually 24 hours. And now if none of these above solutions, the solutions I've just said, work, then you have to go to Affirm's help center like that. Okay. You go to the help center and then you can either chat or call with them or send them an email or something, and hopefully they can help you out. So get support and then you can just go ahead and chat with them or something like that, and hopefully they can help you with the issue. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that I helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.